Hey everyone, welcome back to Perseus's channel. Today, we're going to explore how volunteering and internships can give you a huge boost in career capital, especially if you're a young college graduate. Let's dive right into it with an inspiring story. Meet Ravi, a young professional from India who graduated with a degree in computer science. Like many fresh graduates, Ravi faced the challenge of finding a job in the competitive tech industry. He realized that he needed to stand out, so he decided to volunteer at a local non-profit organization and applied for internships to gain valuable experience. Ravi's decision to volunteer and intern turned out to be a game changer. He not only gained hands-on experience, but also developed his professional network, expanded his skill set, and discovered his passions. And guess what? This ultimately led to his dream job at a top tech company. Now, let's break down the benefits of volunteering and internships for you. First and foremost, volunteering and internships provide you with practical, real-world experience. You'll work on projects, learn how to navigate workplace dynamics, and understand how your field operates. This is essential for young graduates, as it helps you transition smoothly from the classroom to the professional world. Next up, networking. Volunteering and internships help you connect with professionals in your industry. These connections can open doors to job opportunities, mentorship, and collaboration. Remember, it's not just about what you know, but who you know. Another key benefit is skill development. You'll not only hone your existing skills, but also acquire new ones. This makes you more versatile and marketable as a job candidate. Plus, it'll give you a chance to learn which skills you enjoy using and which you may want to improve. Volunteering and internships allow you to explore your interests and passions. You'll get a taste of different roles, industries, and work environments. This helps you make informed decisions about your career path and find a job that truly aligns with your values and goals. Lastly, let's talk about your resume. Employers value candidates with experience, and volunteering and internships show that you're proactive, dedicated, and resourceful. This can give you a competitive edge when applying for jobs. So there you have it. Volunteering and internships are powerful tools for boosting your career capital. Just like Ravi, you can gain experience, build your network, develop your skills, discover your passions, and enhance your resume. Don't miss out on these opportunities to accelerate your professional growth. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more career advice and tips. Leave a comment below and let us know about your volunteering or internship experiences. Thanks.